Hello guys, so in this video I will tell you that how you can use chat GPT to write blog posts. So let's suppose that you have a blog and you want some posts. So how you can do that? You will type write me SEO optimized blog post how on how to remove background in Photoshop. Now let's suppose that you have a blog post and or you have a site about Photoshop, then it will give you a tutorial about this. You just have to wait and it will do the work for you. Just keep it watching. So as you can see that our blog post has been completed and it gives us the in-depth blog post. So now you just have to copy this and you can check if there are any kind of mistakes, and then you just have to go and paste this into your blog post, and that's it. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.